In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain in Hostinger and add multiple domains. This process is straightforward, allowing you to manage your domain settings and expand your online presence with ease. Whether you're setting up a professional portfolio or managing multiple business sites, understanding how to navigate Hostinger's platform is crucial. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by going to the Hostinger website. Once you've reached the Hostinger homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. This will take you to the H panel, which is Hostinger's intuitive control panel designed for managing your hosting account. Once you're in, look for the Domains section on your dashboard. It should be prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Click on Domains, and this will lead you to the domain management area of your account. Here, you have a comprehensive overview of all the domains associated with your Hostinger account. It acts as a central hub where all things domain-related are managed, allowing you to seamlessly connect and control multiple domains. If you're looking to add a new domain rather than managing an existing one, keep watching. In the Domain section, you'll notice an option labeled Get New Domain. Clicking on this will guide you to the marketplace where you can search for new domains for your projects. Hostinger provides a broad array of domain extensions, so consider what fits your brand best. Whether you go for a classic .com or something more specific like .tech or .store, make sure it's the right fit for your needs. After selecting your desired domain, proceed with the purchase by following the on-screen instructions. Once you've secured your domain, it will automatically appear under your domains list in H panel. From here, you can start configuring it to point to your website, set up DNS records, and much more. By mastering these steps, you help secure your online identity and ensure that your digital endeavors are adequately represented with an accessible and professional web address. Remember that the world of domains can seem tricky at first, but with these straightforward instructions in place, managing and connecting domains in Hostinger becomes an easy task. Taking time to understand these processes not only expands your web presence, but also builds your confidence in managing web hosting tasks. So go ahead, explore the various possibilities your domains can bring to life, and happy hosting. Stay tuned for more tutorials where we'll continue to provide helpful tips and tricks to support your digital journey.